Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer Bitcoin from Revolut to Binance, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log in. Tap Deposit, then choose Bitcoin. Copy your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Double check it's the right one. Step 2. Now open the Revolut app and log in. Step 3. Tap the crypto section or search for Bitcoin. Step 4. Select Send and choose Send externally. Step 5. Paste your Binance Bitcoin address in the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Step 6. Review the transfer summary carefully, including network fees. Tap Send to confirm. Step 7. You may be asked to complete a security verification, such as Face ID or a code sent to your phone. Important tip: only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. Sending to the wrong network or coin type can result in permanent loss. Step 8. Wait for the blockchain confirmation. Your Bitcoin will appear in Binance shortly. And that's it. You've just transferred Bitcoin from Revolut to Binance successfully. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.